to all those out there, man, that have been tuned in, that have been following us. Listen, if you know someone that got a story that's doing something positive, that's bringing something, some light into your world, their world, into the community, who's making changes, please hit us up on successafterlockdown@gmail.com, on LinkedIn. We just want to connect with everybody out there, man, male, female, no matter where you from, what you did. We just want to link up, man, show that there's people out there that's making changes, that formerly incarcerated people. We got sick and tired of being sick and tired, and we want to break the chain. We want to break the chain.
That's right.
Recidivism, and hey, yo, man, let's big each other up. Let's big each other up. Now, like, it's okay to say I'm a formerly incarcerated person. What I did yesterday is not what I'm doing today, right? And keep yourself accountable and responsible.